You're watching part number 9 out of 12 of our mini-series about industrial IoT. This one is a very short one about the IoT Well-Architected Framework, which help architects and developers understand what services to use where and when they're building IoT applications. We've seen various parts of the solution that Cornell Aerospace put together in order to address their challenges and reach the business outcomes that we described. But this solution requires putting together various services in the cloud, tasks that might not be trivial for everyone. In order to help architects and developers, we created the IoT Well-Architected Framework, which aims at delivering a comprehensive framework and guidances for architects and developers for them to build their IoT solution, making the most out of the Microsoft Industrial IoT platform. To architects, developers, we invite you to go visit our documentation pages to learn more about this IoT Well-Architected Framework, so that you will learn about what is an IoT workload, how to optimize your costs, how to implement operational excellence. Guiding principles are described in there. You will choose the right architectural approach depending on what you want and need when it comes to connected products, operations. You will learn about the various layers of an IoT solution and how to make the most, once again, of all the Microsoft Industrial IoT platform and the rest of the Microsoft ecosystem and partners.